Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mute in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to mute audio here in Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps. Alright, so there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is going to be, you might want to scrub your timeline. We have a separate video on how to do it, but basically, for example, you want to mute the whole audio of a specific video. For example, there's going to be the video and then the bottom is the audio. You can simply go and click the audio, drag it anywhere here at the bottom. But you need to right click on it, click the unlink button. All right. From here, you can move this to any part of the audio. A1 means audio 1, A2 is audio 2, A3 and until to A6. You can drag it down here. So what will happen is the audio will now be part of it. All right, so that's one way. Now, another option is, since you have unlinked the audio itself, you can now, matter of fact, click this and press the delete button. You have deleted the entire audio as part of your video. You see that? So now nothing's happening, right? No more audio for you. If you don't do that, you wanted to mute clips of your audio, what you can do is, all right, press the eraser tool, the cut tool, and cut segments of the audio that you wanted. All right, for example, this one right here, I'm gonna delete this. I may still have to play some of the audios in there, but some of are muted already, right? So that's one way. You see that? Nothing's happening here, and the audio gauge is in this section. You would notice that when I click this part, no audio here. All right, and then it came back. Then after a few seconds, it's gone again. Now, if you want to mute the Premiere Pro's interface sounds, all right, that's another thing. You need to go to the edit section here, go to preferences, and go to the audio. Now, from here, all you have to do is choose the settings here according to your needs. If you want to click the large volume adjustments, just go to the 0 or minus. So it's gonna be muted, and click and unmute all these. You see this option right here, mute input during timeline recording. All right, and after that, click on OK. So these are gonna be some of your options in muting here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.